Hello, I'm going to be answering WASSCE 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 24, and it is under section 3. Now, the instruction is: after each of the following sentences, we have a list of possible interpretations, and we have to choose one that is most appropriate for each sentence. The sentence is: the principal stood her ground even when the students revolted. This means that the principal A maintained the position, B remained standing, C refused to listen, D condemned the protest. Now, to stand your ground, which is what we are looking, the main expression we are looking at, stood our ground, or to stand. What does it mean for someone to stand? To stand one's ground. Now, when someone stands one's ground, it means that the person maintains their opinion. So, maintains. To maintain an opinion or your belief or position about something. So to maintain opinion. That is what it means to stand one's ground. Now, maintaining an opinion or position is standing one's ground, and option A means maintained the position. So the answer is option A, which is maintained the position. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.